Good morning, students. In this class, we are going to learn a craft work. Take a white paper like this and draw a bird shape like this with sketch. And take another paper, white paper, and draw a bird shape that is flying with sketch like this. Draw like this and take another paper and draw a bird which is sitting like this. Draw like this and cut this. Cut the birds like this. Cut these shapes on the blue color sheet like this. Cut the bird shapes like this with the blue color sheet. Then take orange color paper and cut the bird shapes. Cut the bird shapes like this with orange color. Then take green color sheet and cut these bird shapes on this green color sheet. Cut the bird shapes like this. Take these. Then take a paper, white paper like this, very long white paper, and paint it with the black color like this. Paint all the paper. Make two papers like that. Take two papers like this, black colored paper, and paste this onto a wall. Paste to the wall like this, and paste a bird like this here with gum, and paste the birds, and paste another bird like this here, and paste the birds like this. So dear students, do this craft work and send in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.